Hi there. Unfortunately, the website where you can practice with some Access sample items is designed in a really confusing way. I'm sorry about that, but I want to show you how to use it so that you can be successful. So when you land at this page, click grades 6 to 8, and you'll notice that they have listening, reading, speaking, and writing. And for each category, they have one or more tests that you can take. So you click on this, you click on the one that you want to take. B are the easier ones, C are the harder ones, and to exit ESL, you have to do very well on both of them. So when we click here, this is what's a problem, because every time you click on a site, it is at the same URL, and the only thing that's different is the username and the password, and each sample item has a different username. So your computer might ask you to remember this username and password. Don't do that. If you remember the username and password, it's just going to make you take the same sample item again and again, whereas what you want to do is type different usernames to get to different test sample items. So I'm going to type this. Listening 68 CSIP. So type it carefully and then check that you made everything correct. Listening 68 CSIP, then type the password and sign in. So I'm not going to show you how to use the test right now. It's pretty self-explanatory. But when you're done with each section or you click exit, yes, exit, it doesn't take you back to like the main site where you can pick other tests. It crazily takes you back to this site where you log in to this same test you just took, which doesn't make any sense at all, right? So when it brings you back here, you have to know to click back again. So click back, and then it brings you to grades, all these grades where you can now pick another test item. So let's see if I go to a reading and I pick geometry and baseball. Now it looks exactly the same except for the username. So to get to this sample item, I'm going to type reading 68 CSIP and then the password test 1234 and sign in. And again, I'm not going to show you how to use the test here because it's pretty self-explanatory. When you're done or you click exit, it takes you back to this page that just logs you into reading again. Super crazy. Click back, and then you can pick another test. Now, if you somehow click back right here and you end up at this page, this is super confusing because it looks like you should do test practice. But the test practice is actually just some easy questions that show you how the test works. So you can take that if you want, but what we're doing here are doing sample items. So forget about this test practice, forget about this test practice. View sample items is what you want to click to get back to this page, right? And then you can pick, for example, your writing test. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. Good luck.